Hi everyone! Welcome to Minas Day Vlogs once again. Sa mga kapwa ko Filipino, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ken kadigitay padak nga Ilocano, na imbag nga aldaw yu amin apo. Pinagluluto manen karuba. It's cooking time once again. And so for today's video, I will be making my version of embutido. Others call it morhon or meatloaf. So, are you guys ready? Let's start! Start na po tayo. So, I have here ground pork or yung giniling na karne ng baboy. Next, kakailanganin ko ng green bell pepper. So, for this one, dice. Hiwa-hiwain lang po natin ng maliliit. Tapos, ilagay sa ating mixing bowl. Susunod, maglalagay din ako ng red bell pepper para colorful siya. And again, you have to dice. Kung paano hiniwa yung green bell pepper, ganyan din po sa red bell pepper. Susunod, kakailanganin ko ng carrot. So, same thing, cube or dice. Kung paano po natin hiniwa yung mga bell peppers, ganun din po sa carrot. Next is, I will be needing onion. Ito yung tinatawag natin na sibuyas. So, i-add din natin sa ating mixing bowl. And now, we have to mix. Kailangan po nating halu-haluin. Dapat malaki yung ating mixing bowl para mahalo natin na mabuti. Ayan, napaka-colorful na siya. Pero, hindi pa kumpleto ang ating ingredients. So, I will put breadcrumbs. Yung gamit ko, yung very fine na breadcrumbs. And then, I also have here garlic salt. If you don't have garlic salt, you can use the plain salt or yung asin. And then, ground pepper. Ito po ay black. Next, meron ako ditong raisins or yung ating tinatawag na pasas. And don't forget the pickled relish. Ito po ay napakasarap sa embutido. And I also have here tomato sauce. Okay, so kailangan na nating halu-haluin. We need to mix again. So, mix very well para ma-distribute yung ating mga nilagay na ingredients. And now, I will add 3 pieces of raw eggs. So, ang egg na nilagay ko yung extra large. Again, we need to mix. Kailangan po halu-haluin ng mabuti para ma-absorb ng ground pork yung mga ingredients na nilagay natin, especially yung egg because the egg serves as the binder. Okay, I also have here liquid food seasoning. Ito po ay pampalasa din sa ating embutido. Siyempre, kailangan halu-haluin. We need to mix again. Let the meat absorb all the ingredients that we put para masarap. And lastly, let's put grated cheddar cheese. Ito po ang magbibigay linamnam sa ating embutido. And if you notice guys, I put a lot of ingredients. That is the secret of having a delicious embutido. Dapat yung ingredients hindi tinipid. Yes. Ayan, mukhang masarap at napaka-colorful. Next, mag-prepare din ako ng hotdog. So, slice lang natin into half like this. I fried this earlier. Ayan. Likewise, I have here boiled eggs. So, slice lang natin into 4. And now, I have here my aluminum foil. So, maglalagay tayo ng embutido mixture. Kung gaano kadami, depende po sa inyo. Kung gusto nyo ng malaking embutido, syempre madami kayong ilalagay. Just flatten like this. Make it even para maganda siya. And then maglalagay tayo ng hotdog sa gitna. Ayan. Pati na rin yung boiled egg. Feel free to make your own style. So, ganyan ang gagawin ko and then carefully roll until mag-form siya into a log shape. Sa pag-roll ng embutido, meron din tayong kanya-kanyang style or paraan. So, ganito ako magbalot ng embutido. Unti-unti lang na iro-roll. Kasi kung minsan, merong mga aluminum foil na madaling mapunit. Kaya, careful lang po. So, eto na. Nakagawa na ako ng isa. Isisil natin yung both ends. Ready for steaming na po tayo. We'll wait 1 hour. Oh my God. These birds are waiting for me to feed them. They are there in the sunny part of the garden. Cook, 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 cook. Cook, 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 cook. Cook, 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 cook. What? Hungry? Hungry, hungry? You wait. After 1 hour, let's check our embutido. Ayan siya. Tingnan natin. Wow, smells good. At eto na guys ang aking list of ingredients just in case you wanna try my recipe. Ayan, so presenting my version of embutido, others call it morjon or meatloaf. Let's eat. Mahalo again for watching guys. So this is the end of my day. It's already dark and I can feel the rain. It's coming again. See you next video. Bye!